Hi folks, thanks for tuning back into this channel, which is a Akiya Renovation here in rural Japan. If this is your first time, thank you for tuning in. So this right here is what we call the casita, or guest house. And so we are almost done with the main house renovation. And as a matter of fact, right now, Kayaki-san, our builder, is doing a open house. And so you see his family in there. That's his daughter. And we're going to allow him to do an open house here for about 10 days so he can advertise his business. It has been absolutely nothing but a great experience dealing with him. He's a local carpenter here in Miwa. And so it's the least we can do. So this little guest house should be done here in about 2 weeks or so. And so this is just an addition to the main house, but it's going to have the same look and feel as the main house. But as you can see, it has the old traditional tsuchikabe, which is dirt and made out of bamboo. And it's actually pretty good to absorb the moisture. And then on top of that, so there will be the sheetrock and then also the shikui, old Japanese style plaster, which is like a lime plaster. And actually just a minute ago, I was inside the house talking to Kayaki-san, and we're talking about the different workers and whatnot. And he said that like the shikui plaster people, you just don't find those folks anymore with that skill set. They're all over 60. So that's kind of a difficult thing for him, because eventually that skill set is going to die away, but hopefully some people pick it up. Yeah, so we're going to be here for the day, and then throughout the week he's going to have different people by appointment. And so just wanted to provide a quick update on the casita here as we finish up the renovation in the house. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.